To assemble a round multi-insert tool holder, also called form-a-groove tool holder, requires a number of steps. There's a hole in the end for a roll pin. There's a hole in the end for a set screw that acts as a force to crush the tool that you're using for cutting against the left side of the pocket. And there are 9 set screws in the top that place force down on the individual inserts or on a block of a tool. Then placing the side screw in and just giving it a couple of turns so it's not protruding into the pocket. Now assembling all of the top screws. Do not let the tips of the screws protrude into the insert pocket. Then you'd place your cutting tool, which will be unique to your application, into the seat. If the application requires a spacer to fill the rest of the pocket, that would go in alongside of it. The side screw then can be run in to start crushing everything together and pushing against the left-hand wall of the pocket. When you feel that's got good contact, finish torquing down the screw, and now start working these screws down until you feel contact with each one. And I like to double check that I've got everything tight from the side. And then depending on how the insert is designed, determines which of these screws makes the most sense to start with. In this case, I'm going to start, since it's a single block, with a screw that's roughly in the center and in the front, and finish tightening that down, and then go to the back opposite of that screw. When the tool holder is fully assembled, the center line of the shank is now on the cutting plane of the insert.